You won't believe what Apex Arena Finance brings to the table in 2026. Most people think finance apps are only for budgeting or basic savings, but Apex Arena combines automated money management, goal tracking, and personalized insights all in one app. The app allows you to set multiple financial goals, such as emergency savings, debt repayment, or travel funds. Apex Arena then automatically calculates how much you can safely set aside each week without affecting your daily spending. Over time, this small, automated approach can turn into substantial savings. Most people underestimate the power of consistent, small contributions. Apex Arena also provides predictive spending alerts. It monitors your account activity and upcoming bills, warning you before you might overspend. This proactive approach prevents overdraft fees and keeps your credit in check. Additionally, the app offers spending insights, showing where you can reduce costs without changing your lifestyle. Security is robust. Apex Arena uses bank-level encryption, multi-factor authentication, and monitors accounts for suspicious activity. Your funds remain in your own accounts, and customer support is available through chat and email for any issues. Limitations: the app doesn't provide traditional banking or investment services. It focuses solely on helping you save smarter and manage your money more efficiently. But if your priority is creating better money habits and growing your savings automatically, Apex Arena is worth considering. So, is Apex Arena Finance worth it in 2026? Definitely, especially for anyone who wants a modern, intelligent, and automated approach to managing money. Subscribe for more reviews that help you make smarter financial decisions.